Day 25 of Daughter's Daily Packs, where I let my daughter reach this pile of Pokemon cards and pull me out a pack to open every day. Today she's picked Destined Rivals, which we have opened a couple of times on this series. It's not done too bad for us. I think we've got a few EX cards, but no illustration rare, so definitely hoping for that Moltres today. And don't forget, every pull in these packs are going to go into a binder that I'm going to give away at the end of the year, should I have 50,000 followers, so make sure you're following along so that can happen. Destined Rivals is probably my favourite Scarlet and Violet era set. There's some really nice pulls here, and it's been a pretty good set to us in general. So I'm really hoping we can add something real nice to the binder today. Okay, and we're adding to the binder a Hydrapple rare. Still no illustration rare. Hopefully we can have better luck tomorrow on day 26. I'll see you then.